Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HBRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the crazy movement the past couple of days, especially when you factor in the volume, just gigantic volume. Although where the price has now started to sell a little down at, from a technical point of view, that is, I don't think anybody would necessarily be surprised by it. And I say that because even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of, technical charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above that level, it does tend to act as a support area. And the 200 period moving average on my chart is denoted there by that pink line. And you can see that as of right now, that is exactly where the price has finally started to go sideways. So that's really the big question mark going forward is, can that 200 period moving average continue to hold? If it does not hold, then what you then have at threat, and I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, but if the price does not hold above that, the pink line there, all of a sudden you basically now have the price having gone right back to where it started. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that make beautiful movements like this to then all of a sudden go right back to where they started, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that 200 period moving average is such an important level, and why it's very good news as of now to see the price continue to hold strong above there. So continue to watch that, as that'll be that main area of support. But if the price does decide it wants to start to bounce back upwards, let's map out some areas of resistance. First key area of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, going to be there at the 0035 mark. And then if the price can push up through 0035, you want to keep a close eye on that pink line up, or excuse me, the purple line up there. The 50 period moving average, current value of that is right around the 0047 mark. But before you put too much emphasis on, doing battle with the 50 period moving average, like I said, the price is first got to be able to get up above the 0035 mark. But overall, yeah, the chart is definitely looking very shaky, but you got to give credit where credit's due. The price is still maintaining above that 200 period moving average. So let's see if the price can continue to do that or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.